our one most important topic in your subject, that is known as research methodology in statistics. So first of all, you have to understand what is research. Who can say what is research? Search again and again means search again and again is known as research. So what is the purpose of research? Who can say? Purpose of research is to find out the truth behind it. Right? So research is a systematic process of finding the truth behind something. That is known as research. In my language I am telling you. And methodology, it is a systematic method, steps to study out the research. Also we say it is a scientific approach. Scientific approach to find the truth or fact of a statement. For example, if you say that taking suppose you want a plant known as amla. Amla is a herbal food. Research statement is taking amla every day in the morning can empower your eye or increase the eye capacity. Right? This is the statement, research statement. So, what you have to do? You have to prove the research statement, whether it is true or false. That you have to do it. How? There is a process. There is a process to prove this statement. What is the different process? Number one, you have to bring the fruit of amla and you have to do experiment with the human being. For that, you need to have the ethical committee. That is another story. You have to give amla to eat every day in the morning. How long? For example, time duration you have taken for 3 months. So 3 months you have to do the experiment and you have to collect the sample. What is sample?
Amla.
Pardon?
Amla.
No. Sample collection is, sampling is the how many people will take amla for how long. That is the sampling. For example, you have taken 100 samples, and out of 100 samples, you have to divide the two divisions, two parts, two groups. One is known as experimental group, another one is known as your control group. Experimental group, the people will take amla for 3 months regularly in the morning on an empty stomach, whereas your control group will not take any amla for 3 months. After 3 months, you have to compare the both groups through different parameters. What are the different types of parameters? What is parameter? For example, parameter of blood pressure is systolic pressure, diastolic blood pressure, pulse rate, heart rate.
Body status.
Pardon?
Body status.
Status means whatever to check whether it is true or false. That is. Understood? So this is all about the things and after 3 months you have to check how you have to give the letter of study. Whether this letter 50 to a participant, those who have been taking Amla for last 3 months, whether they can study well or not. This is one parameter. Understood? So this is all about the research methodology to prove. What is sampling? Who can see what is sampling? What is sampling? Sampling is the collection of data. What is data? Data are the information in the form of numerical value is known as your data. Data is plural word and similarly datum. One data is known as datum and many data is known as data. So we say biodata, give me your biodata. What about it? Have you collected the data? You collect the data about him, what he is doing. So data are the information in the form of numerical value which is used in the research to find out the research whether the hypothesis is true or false. So what is hypothesis?